Hey guys, we've all been there. Hours wasted scrolling through endless search results, still unable to find clear and accurate answers. Whether you're researching for work, school, or personal projects, traditional search engines often leave you overwhelmed and frustrated by irrelevant information. Imagine a tool that doesn't just give you links, but provides instant, concise, and reliable answers tailored to your query. Introducing Perplexity AI, the revolutionary AI-powered search assistant. Unlike regular search engines, Perplexity uses advanced AI to provide direct, accurate, and well-researched answers. Simply type your question, and Perplexity instantly delivers summarized responses, complete with references for deeper exploration. This platform is a game-changer for students, professionals, and curious minds. Whether you're tackling academic research, business insights, or quick trivia, Perplexity simplifies the search process. Without further ado, let's dive into Explore Perplexity AI.
Welcome to techroot Solutions.
Go to Google and search Perplexity AI, and then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of this video. This is the dashboard of Perplexity AI. At the right side, you can see Home. Currently, we are in the Home canvas. In Discover, we can discover everything, whatever we want. Top content, tech and science, finance, art and culture. Here you can find it. Now click on Spaces. Here we can upload files and documents, and Perplexity will answer detailed questions. Set AI instructions. Convert complex materials into an easy-to-understand format, like frequently asked question answers or briefing documents. Collaborate with others. Add resources to a space and share them to create a group knowledge base. You can create this space for yourself. Now click on Library. Here is our library. The work which we have done previously is here. Now click on Home. Here we can ask anything about anything. Here are two main features, Focus and Attached. First of all, I will click on Focus. Here are 6 main parts. Web. In web search, we can search across the entire internet. Academic. Here we can search for published academic papers about our queries. Math. Here we can solve equations and find numerical answers. Writing. We can generate text to chat without searching the web. Videos. We can discover video prompts given by us. Social. Here we can search for discussions and opinions. Perplexity is an amazing tool to make life easy and simple. Secondly, click on Attached. From the Attached feature, we can attach our file and ask anything about the content inside the file we want. These are predefined prompts. We can also use these prompts. Now click on Ask Anything. For demo purposes, I will type, "What is Bitcoin?" and click on Focus. From focus mode, I will select Web and then click Enter. It takes time to generate our query. Please wait for a while. Here are the final results. Wow, amazing. This amazing AI tool makes everything easy. At the top, we can see the sources from where Perplexity gets this information. Perplexity can get information from Wikipedia, Coinbase, and TechTarget. Also, here are many resources where Perplexity gets its data. Click Show All and see. If you want to remove any source, select the source and then click on Remove Source. Here you can see the source is removed and your query is ready. At the bottom, we can see questions related to our topic. Now click on Search for Image to get images. You'll see many pics about Bitcoin. Wow. Now click on Search for Videos. Wait a while. Here are the final results. The videos are here. Wow, amazing. Now click on Home and then click on Focus. Then select Video. For demo purposes, I will type "What is Bitcoin?" and then click Enter. Wait for a while. Wow, amazing. Here are videos about Bitcoin, making it easy to find anything. Here are different videos about Bitcoin. Now click on Home and then select Writing. Here I will type "What is Bitcoin?" and press Enter. Wait for a while. Here are the final results. Amazing. Using Perplexity, we can focus on what we need specifically. Now I want to attach a file. Click on the attached icon. From my system, I will select one file and then click Open. It takes time to upload. After uploading, ask any questions. For demo purposes, I will ask for a summary and wait. Here is the final summary of our file. It's easy to extract useful information from our files. Students can use this amazing AI tool for their exam preparation. Now I will click on Home, and then I want to solve a math question. Select Math. For demo purposes, I will select a given suggestion and press Enter. Wait for a while. Here is the final result of my question. Wow, amazing. Perplexity makes our work easy. Perplexity can solve our math questions. Try out Perplexity AI for yourself and let me know in the comments how you've used these fantastic tools. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates on AI tools and trends.